Hey guys, how's it going? So, ammo shortage 2020. Well, it's still 2020 and apparently there's still an ammo shortage. At least that's what I'm noticing everywhere around me. But this video is kind of cool and I actually just had a great experience getting some ammo. And this is actually Sig Sauer and it came directly from Sig. So we're going to do an unboxing right now and I'll tell you guys how quick I got this. So you guys might have noticed I'm wearing a different shirt. Yeah, I own a bunch of shirts, guys. My work shirts have kind of become my uniform. But check it out. The AR-15 Essential. The message is simple, but I totally agree and I love it. So here's the deal. I got a message on Facebook just about a week ago. And they sent me a message and said, hey, good afternoon. My wife and I have started a small apparel and gear Facebook page. Right now just selling shirts. Love your YouTube and love your content. Always a pleasure to watch and learn. Would love to send you a couple shirts. No strings attached at all. Maybe you want to wear them. And you know what? That's awesome. They just started a business out of their garage. The company is GW Apparel and Gear. And I'm going to leave a link to their Facebook page down there in the description of this video. You guys can go over there and like it and look at the stuff they have to offer. And I think it's really cool. You know, a viewer thought enough of me to send me a couple shirts to wear, which I really appreciate, guys. They're not sponsoring the channel. They're not paying me to do this. Trust me. It's just mom and pop shop. They have very patriotic, liberty type apparel from what I see and some really, really cool designs. And I know all about running a small business out of my garage. You know, I have a small shop now, but I ran out of my garage for many, many years, and that's the American dream, is to start a small business out of your garage. So good luck to you guys. I'm really liking the shirt. You can see the GW logo right there, and seriously, they've got some really patriotic designs and I think they look really nice. So go check them out, and I appreciate you guys over at GW watching the channel, and good luck to you in your business. I hope you guys do well. So I ordered the ammo on September 29th, which is a Tuesday, I believe. And I was thinking, okay, you know, I ordered my federal ammo and it took, I don't know, a month the one time and 5 weeks the other time. But hey, I understood and was just happy to get it. So it's nothing against federal. They have a large selection. But I ordered this kind of thinking the same thing. And I was working just 2 days later and I'm talking to my wife on the phone and I'm like, yeah, did I get any packages in today? She's like, yeah, you got some ammunition. And I'm like, there's no way I got ammunition in. I just ordered some day before yesterday. And seriously, guys, 2 days later on October 1st, Sig shipped this ammo right to my house. So we're going to open it up and let's take a look right now and do the unboxing together. So I'm pretty excited right now that it came so quickly. And of course they've got this fiberglass reinforced tape, and this original Izhevsk bayonet isn't very sharp, but you know what? We're going to struggle through this together and I'm going to use it anyways, just because it's pretty cool and I like Bakelite. So these look cool, but they're not the best knives. But I'm going to get this eventually, guys. Trust me. Alright. Let's see what we got here. They're using like that super duper fiberglass reinforced tape. We should rename this video to Russian Bayonet versus Sig packing tape. And so far the packing tape's winning, but we're not going to give up, guys. I got this, trust me. Ugh. Well, good thing I'm really strong because the knife was dull, but we got it open. We're good, guys. Alright, check it out. So this is some 45 ACP. Let's take a look at this. Elite Performance Sig FMJ. This is going to be 230 grains. They're saying muzzle 850 foot per second, 369 foot-pounds. I like that when manufacturers put that right on the label so you can easily see what you've got going on without looking it up online. So I got 4 boxes of it total. Here's the first one. 2. 3, and 4. So you guys know prices aren't the same now as they were in the spring, but I thought this was a pretty darn good deal considering. And I went to one of the most popular ammo searching websites that a lot of you guys use, and I saw that it's actually a pretty darn good price. I got this for $24.95 a box. So 4 boxes put me at like $99.80. And as I was looking down in the cart near the subtotal, it said you're only 20 cents away from free shipping. It's like, man, I don't really need 5 boxes, because I'll tell you guys why I bought this. Of course I want the ammo. Like, you can never have enough, and I have some 1911s that I want to do some more follow-up videos with. But the main reason I bought it, just like I did the Federal ammo the couple times, is just to buy it along with you guys. So when I'm giving you guys recommendations, I'm listening to you guys' stories, I know exactly what everyone's going through that's struggling to get ammo. So I literally just bought this for the sake of, you know, being able to share it with the channel and giving you guys a review on how everything went. So I was 20 cents away from free shipping. I guess it's $100 evens free shipping. So I'm like, what do I do? I don't want to buy a whole nother box. Do they sell anything cheap? So I went over to this one tab on their website. Let me check it real quick here for you guys right now. It's called Gifts. And I went under Gifts, and they had patches and stickers. And I found an item, and I'll show you this right now, for 99 cents. And this was the SIG sticker, which also arrived in just 2 days. Now, I kind of felt bad after I bought it, because I'm pretty sure they lost money on this dollar sticker, because this came in its own FedEx envelope from New Hampshire, whereas the main ammunition itself, let me see where that came from. That came from Arkansas. So there you go. Apparently they have several different facilities, whether you're buying apparel or gifts versus the ammunition itself. So I basically got it for $24.95, 25 bucks. Free shipping because I spent just a touch over $100, but this sticker's pretty cool. I'll put it up with some of my other stickers. So I thought it was a really, really fair deal. I'm seeing it about the cheapest through the ammo searching sites at like $37, $38 a box. Oh, that's pretty cool. Bright yellow tray. This is my first time ever buying this type of ammo, guys. This is what you call ball ammo, you know, full metal jacket. Primarily used for practice and training. Probably much, much, much better cartridges out there for self-defense. And you guys need to always make your own decisions on what you're going to protect and trust your life with. Always test your ammo in each particular gun, magazine, before you even think about trusting it. I would probably normally run a plus P, something with a hollow point, if I'm carrying 45. But tell you what, this 230 grain full metal jacket, standard pressure, was used in 2 world wars in the United States, all the way through. Issued all the way up mainline into the 80s in the United States. So many conflicts, Vietnam. I mean, I could go on for an hour and just tell you guys how much the legendary 45 ACP has been used in U.S. service. And guess what? They used the full metal jacket. So would I run around with an empty 1911 and use it as a club if I had this sitting around? No, of course I'd load it in there. Like I said, many wars. A lot of you veterans watching this video know all about carrying this. So yeah, it's real ammunition, and if it's all you've got, I'd carry it personally. Make your own decisions. Again, probably much better self-defense ammo out there. I totally get it, guys. But if you're new into guns, or your ammo supplies just got low and this is all you can get, sharp stick, there's not even a question, right? So yeah, the ammo looks really nice right away. Very shiny brass case. You can see that big old 45 full metal jacket. The head stamp is SIG 45 Auto. This is the famous 45 Auto in the Browning 1911, and now many other guns too since then. It's actually so shiny, my camera's having a hard time focusing on it, guys. Wow, look at how shiny that is. Okay, there you go. It grabbed it. SIG 45 Auto. Very nice, clean ammunition, and wow, I couldn't believe it. 2 days? I ordered it like on a Tuesday morning, received it Thursday, like mid-afternoon. I've never even heard of ammo shipping that fast before there was a shortage. I don't know anyone at SIG, guys. Bought this with my own money, just like I told you, like I always do for these reviews. There's no ammo sponsors on this channel. There's no corporate sponsorship at all. Actually, all I have is you guys. So if you want to help the channel, the links are down there in the description. And I do appreciate it. And as you can see, I'm always doing stuff to try to help you guys out. Now, 9mm, I know that's what most people seems, that's what you guys are looking for by reading the comments. I see right now, and this is Sunday evening, they do have a couple SKUs in stock. They don't have any of the cheap practice ammo right now. I notice this stuff comes and goes quickly just like everything. But they do have some of the SIG Performance defensive rounds, like 115 and 124 grain hollow point. Those are like $49.99 a box for 50 rounds. I know you guys are going to go, that's nuts, $50 for a box of 9. I don't know. That's for you to decide. But I will say this. Even before the shortage, if you go back to early spring, late winter, last year, whatever, self-defense ammo, hollow points from a reputable manufacturer like a SIG and, other companies at the local gun shop and many websites usually went for about $1 a round. Maybe a little cheaper if you bought it online, but with shipping, unless you bought a lot, it still ended up usually being about $1 a round. So, $20 for those 20 round boxes is, look, you guys are all going to pound in the comments and say how much cheaper you got it. But in today's day and age, when I see so many people spending 35, 40, 45, even $50, I'm hearing for FMJ 9, I think 50 count box of 9 for $50, spend 100, get free shipping. Seems to be one of the better deals I've seen, and you guys will again make that decision. So they do have some 9 at the time of recording this video. Unfortunately, right this minute, the 45 appears to be sold out, but I'm guessing they'll probably get more in stock soon because I've seen this stuff coming back. Then it goes as quick as it came back. So I'm going to get some use out of this ammo. I'm going to try to enjoy it. Like I said, I'll be doing some testing here soon, and you guys can kind of probably already imagine, right, with what I'm loading up here. What I might be shooting it out of. Is there really any other gun to be shooting 45 out of? I know, rhetorical question. I like my MAC-10 too. So maybe I'll get that out for a video. Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys want to see more 1911? Do you want to see a little MAC-10? There we go. Yeah, pretty impressed. Let me know how you guys are faring down in the comments. Appears to be really nice ammo. I think the yellow tray alone is making it pretty cool. Alright, good luck out there. I'll let you guys know. Next time I buy some ammo, I'm going to continue to buy some here and there just so I can let you guys know where I'm getting it and what my experiences are. 45 ACP, SIG, Elite Performance ammunition. You know what? I think this old bayonet did the job. It took a minute, but you know what? I had more fun opening it this way. I could have just used this razor blade knife, but that would be too boring. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys soon, and hopefully you guys are doing well with the ammo situation, and get what you need. Make your own choices, but doesn't seem it's going to be getting better anytime real soon, but I'm very optimistic, and I'm hoping that it's going to be readily available and as cheap as it ever was as quickly as possible. Alright, thanks for watching, and have a good one.